Good evening, everyone. A very special good evening to you all. I, Shashank, your reasoning mentor, welcoming you all on the Oliveboard YouTube platform, in which we prepare for the SSC and railway examination in English medium, right? So, what we are going to do today? Today, we are going to discuss the SSC CGL Tier 2 live mock that was live on 26 and 27 October, right? That was live on 26 and 27 October on our Oliveboard platform. So, today we are going to see the live mock solutions today. So let's start the session, but before starting the session, I want you all to like the session and share the session, and if you're new on this channel, then do subscribe the channel as well, right? If you're watching this video in the recorded format, then do also like, share and subscribe the channel. Let's start the session, but before starting the session, let me share this session from my end as well, so that maximum students can join the session and avail the benefit. So can you please, yes, sure. I have already given my number in the application class. You can ping me on my number or whatever your doubts are. And one more thing we can do, we can conduct one doubt class as well very soon. Okay. So let's start the class. And let's see the solution of all the questions that we have to do today. The first question is from mathematical operation. In which we are given with some symbols, and always we need to do the division part first. But if bracket is also involved, then we have to solve the bracket part first, right? So bracket is involved in this question over here, 16 infinity 9. What does this infinity denotes? Infinity means multiply. So this will be 144. 16 multiply 9, 144, and root of 144 will be 12. It will become 12. And then omega means plus. Where is the division? This theta means division. So this will be become division, and 175 divided by 25 will give 7. Infinity means multiply. 7 into 10 will become 70. And this sign means minus 12. And this omega means plus. 12 plus 36. It will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. So 70 and 30, 100, 106 minus 12 will become 94. Option number B is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. And let's see what is the next question on our screen. Second question. Okay, second question, let's see what the second question is saying. In the second question, we are having the question from the data sufficiency. We are having two statements followed by some of the options. The question is, how is Harsh related to Leena? We need to find out the relation of Harsh to Leena, that how Harsh is related to Leena. So how can we find this thing? Let's see. The statement number 1 is saying Gautami is the wife of Harsh. First, let's try to solve the statement number 1. Gautami is the wife of Harsh. So it will be like this: Gautami, and she will be marrying Harsh. Since she is the wife, the minus sign will be used. Harsh is the male, the plus sign will be used. Aman is married to the daughter of Harsh. So there will be a daughter of Gautami and Harsh. And one guy named Aman will be married to her. Like this. Leena is the only daughter of Gautami. There is only one daughter of Gautami and Harsh, that is Leena. So can we find out that how Harsh is related to Leena? Yes, we can find out from the statement number 1 that Harsh is the father of Leena. So statement number 1 alone is sufficient. Now we need to solve and check the statement number 2 as well, if statement number 2 is also giving the answer or not. Let's see. Aman is the husband of Leena. We are solving the second statement now. Aman is the husband of Leena. Gopal is the son of Gautami. We cannot connect Gopal and Gautami right now. Harsh is the father of Gopal. We cannot connect, and brother of Ram. We cannot connect any of these elements Gopal, Gautami, Harsh and Ram with these two elements, since we cannot connect, and hence we cannot answer what is Harsh to Leena according to the statement number 2. We cannot answer what is Harsh to Leena according to the statement number 2. So statement 2 is not sufficient. Statement 2 is not sufficient. Only one alone is sufficient, while alone 2 is not sufficient, and hence answer is option number A. Answer is option number A. Answer is option number A, right? Let's move on to the next question. Let's move on to the next question. The third question on your screen is this. This is the third question on your screen. This is the third question on your screen from the coding decoding. Let's find out the right answer. In a certain code language, common is coded as some symbols. Some symbols have been allotted in front of the word common, right? Similarly, some symbols have been allotted in front of the word man. Common is coded as such kind of symbols. Man is coded as those symbols. Which of the following letter and its code is correct? Which of the following letter and its code is correct? Let's see. M is coded as less than sign. M is coded as less than sign. What we can see, M is repeated 2 times at the third and fourth position. And at the third and fourth position, greater than equal is given. So the code for M is greater than equal, right? So first one is the wrong. C is coded as less than equal. C is given at the first and first is greater. So this is also wrong. E is coded as equal. E is given at the second element, and at second here we are getting what? Equal. So E is coded as equal is the right answer. We can see the fourth one. N is coded as greater. N is coded as greater. N is given at the last, and at last less than equal is given. So fourth is also wrong, and hence only third is the right answer. Yes, very good. Let's move on to the next question. Fourth question on your screen from the statement and course of action. The statement given is despite Mr. Gray's greater seniority and expertise. Mr. Gray is the senior one. Let's see, Mr. Gray is the more experienced and the senior one, and he is having more experience. Gray's greater seniority and expertise. The branch manager has appointed Mr. Ray as the head of department. Matlab it means he is trying to say that Mr. Gray is having more experience. He is also senior. Despite of this thing, the branch manager has appointed Mr. Ray as the head of department. The branch manager has appointed someone else, and who is that someone else? Mr. Ray is that someone else, and Mr. Ray has been appointed as the head of the department instead of him. Okay, because of this, heated discussions around this subject are misleading the recently appointed employees. Because of this decision, there is a heated discussion are misleading among the employees, right? So let's see the right course of action that needs to be taken. Course of action number 1, the branch manager should conduct the appraisal meeting. Branch manager should conduct the appraisal meeting for Mr. Ray to showcase his talent and why he has been chosen. Definitely branch manager should conduct a meeting and should give the explanation, but should let the other employees know, so that the heated discussion which is running around the employees should get the information that why Mr. Ray has been chosen over the Mr. Gray. So first course of action follows. No doubt in that. Second one, the branch manager should poll employees to find out what they think about the head of the department. Now, branch manager should poll the employees to find out what they think about the head of the department. Now, this is of what use? He is already been selected. Now, what is the use of polling? The use of polling would be helpful if the branch manager has done the polling, has conducted the polling before the appointment. After the appointment, there will be no use of polling. right? So second one is not the right course of action, only one follows, right? Only one follows. Next question. Fifth question on your screen. From the statement and conclusion, chapter is conclusion. Sorry, chapter is syllogism. Okay. So in the statement he is given some dosa are idli. Some dosa are idli. No idli is vada. All sambar is vada. All sambar is vada. Okay. Let's see the conclusion number 1. Some dosa are sambar. Some dosa are sambar. No, some dosa are not sambar. 1 is wrong. No dosa is vada. No dosa is vada. This is also wrong because vada is having relation, not having relation with idli, but vada can make relation with dosa. No sambar is idli. Yes, idli is not having relation with vada. Then idli will not have any relation with any person who is living inside vada. So sambar is living inside vada. So idli will not have any relation with sambar. So no sambar is idli is the right. So third follows. Option number B. Option number B, only third follows. Option number B, only third follows, right? Let's move on to the next question. Sixth question on your screen. In the question, it has been said, how many meaningful 4-letter English word? We need to make a 4-letter meaningful English word can be formed using the third, fourth, sixth and seventh of the word. Of which word? Of the word mechanism. We have to use the 4 letters. Which are the 4 letters? Third is C, fourth is H, sixth, which is the sixth one, N, and seventh is I. We have to use these 4 letters and make a meaningful word. We have to use this 4 letter and make a 4-letter meaningful word, not 1 letter, not 2 letter, not 3 letter, 4-letter meaningful word with the help of these letters, right? So the first meaningful word will be formed as chin, CHIN, chin. Second one will be inch, INCH, inch. Only these 2 meaningful words can be formed, and hence the answer is option number A, 2. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Seventh question on your screen. Which is a question based on situation and conclusion, or I should say statement and conclusion. No situation kind of things are there. Statement and conclusion. Situation is, what is the situation? A survey conducted among the youth reveals that an average teenager spends about 5 hours on a day on social media. Matlab, there is a survey conducted and that survey conducted reveals the data that an average teenager spends around 5 hours a day. That is a average time. That's a average teenager spends around 5 hours a day on social media, with a majority reporting, and the majority of the teens teens reporting that, teenager reporting that they often lose track of time while using these platforms. Like they are using the Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook or YouTube, whatever they are using, TikTok, Snapchat, whatever they are using. Whenever they are using, they often lose track of time. I mean, they are using, then continuously they are using for like 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours. They have lost their track. They want to they have their schedule maintained that they need to study, but they have lost the track. They are just using the social media. They have lost the track of their management of their time schedule. Okay. Conclusion number 1. Most teenagers are unaware of the amount of time they spend on social media. No, this is not the true one. Conclusion. Why this is not the true? Because a survey conducted youth reveals that an average teenager spends about 5 hours a day. It means it is common, it is known that they almost spend 5 to 6 hours a day. So they have the data, they are known, they are very well aware that they are spending the time on the social media, and they are saying unaware of the amount of time. They are aware of the time. Majority reporting that they often lose track of time. So this conclusion is the one, because they are very well aware that they are spending time on the social media. What they are not aware of? They are not aware of that they are losing the track. But they are aware that they are using the social media time. They are aware of the time. Second one, social media usage is causing time management issues for many teenagers. Since they are losing their track track, since they are losing their track, and hence this will result in the causing time management issues. This one is the right conclusion that we can conclude from the situation. So only two can be concluded, Next question. Eighth question on your screen. Eighth question is again from the critical reasoning. In which we are having a question. People who read regularly tend to have better concentration and cognitive abilities compared to those who don't. Studies suggest that reading books help in improving focus and reducing stress. This is the statement we are given with. The inference is nothing but the conclusion that we can make from the statement, right? The first inference is saying reading book improves cognitive skills. Yes, it has been already mentioned that people who read regularly tend to have better concentration and cognitive skills. So this one is the true. Those who do not read books have a poor concentration. This one is definitely wrong. Why? Because it is said studies suggest that reading books help in improving focus and reducing stress. This is not the only way to improve focus and reducing stress. This is not the only way. It helps. There are other ways as well. To have a concentration power, like meditation, like yoga, like doing exercises. There are many other ways. This study, this is the only way. This is not the only way. This is the alternative way to help, right? So second conclusion, we cannot conclude, we cannot infer from the statement, and hence only one follow. Next question. Ninth question on your screen. Ninth question from the direction and distance. Right? Ninth question from the direction and distance. Let's see what can be the right answer for this one. Give it a try, everyone. Hi Nancy, my dear. Point P is 4 meter west of Q. So this is P, this is Q, and the distance is 4 meter. P is 4 meter west of Q. R 3 meter north of Q. So this is R 3 meter north of Q. And 5 meter west of S. Always remember this end is used for the point R. So R is 5 meter west of S. T is 9 meter east of U. We cannot connect T or U with these points. T 7 meter south of S. It means this is the 3 meter distance, this is the 4 meter, and this is the T. T 7 meter south of S. And T is 9 meter east of U. It means the 5 distance will be like this. This is the 5 distance, right? And this is the 4 distance, and this is the point U. T is 9 meter east of U. Then what is the distance between P and U? We need to find the distance between P and U. The distance between P and U is this one. This one is 4, this one will also be 4. So answer is option number D, 4. 4 meter. Option number D, 4 meter is the right answer. Okay. Next question on your screen. Let's move on to the next question. Tenth question is again from the mathematical operation. We need to fill this question. We need to fill these blanks in order to get the right answer. Divide is used here in the option number 1. Divide is used here. So bracket, solving the bracket first, it will become 17 because minus is given. This will become plus, so 15 and 11, 26. But we cannot divide 17 by 26. We cannot get 84, and hence first one is the wrong. Plus minus plus, it will become 21 and it will become 26, right? So 21 minus 26 will never be 84, so this is also wrong. Minus multiply minus, it will become 17 multiply 4. 17 into 4, 68, and hence this is also wrong. Fourth one, plus multiply minus, 21 minus 4. 21 multiply 15 minus 11, 4, which gives 84, and hence option number D is the right. Option number D is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. 11th question on your screen. 11th question on your screen. We have to interchange the question. The question is from the mathematical operation. The question is from the mathematical operation, and we need to interchange two symbols. Always try to solve, always try to attempt the option which is having divide, because there are chances that the division part will be solved first. That's why we can get the answer from the division part. Not always necessary, but most of the times. So divide and multiply. If divide come here and multiply come here, it will become, it will not be divided. It will not be divided. So option number A is wrong. Option number A is wrong. Okay, simple. A is wrong. Plus and minus. Plus and minus. Okay. So it will be become what? 27, and it will become what? 9 ones 9, 9 to 18, 1 carry, 9 7, 63 and 1, 64, 6 4 8 9. Plus and minus, so it will become plus, it will become minus 40. 6 4 8 9 plus 2 7, 9 and 7, 16 का 6, 1 carry over here, 2 and 1 3, 3 and 8 and 10, 2 and 1 11, 1, 1 carry the rear, 4 and 1 5, 6 5 1 6 minus 4 0, 6 11 minus 4 7 4 6, 6 4 7 6, and hence B is the right answer. B is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. 12th question on your screen. 12th question on your screen from the repeated series. From the repeated series. 12th question on your screen from the repeated series. We are having some blanks. First count the number of elements. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 are there. So 20 element means we can make 4 pair. 4 pair of 5 elements. Right? 4 pair of 5 elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. D is the first one. D is the first one. D is the first one. Let's put D over here. DS, DSI, 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 and DSI. Last one N, last N, G. DSI, GN, DSI, GN, DSI, GN, and DSI, GN. The series that is formed is DSI, GN. DSI, GN, DSI, GN, DSI, GN, and DSI, GN. So SGSN, SGSN. First is wrong. SGSN, SGSN, SGSN. DIG. No. No. Only option number D is the right. Only option number D is the right answer. Only option number D is the right answer. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Next is 13th. 13th question on our screen. We need to find the odd one out. We need to find the odd one out from the given set of number. We need to find the odd one out from the given set of numbers. How can we find? These are the two smaller number. We cannot do the multiplication and the division one as well, right? 52 plus 73, what it will give? 125. We cannot make 94. Adding these two, can we make 4 and 2 6, 9 and 5 14, 146, and divided by 2 we can get 73, this third number, right? Similarly in this one, 8 and 4 2, 7 and 1 8 and 2 10, 102 divided by 2 we can get 51, 6 and 2 8, 9 and 3 12, 128 divided by 2 we can get 64. 4 and 8 2 3 1 4 5 52 divided by 2 we will get 26, not 27, and hence this is the odd one out. Option number D is the odd one out. Option number D is the odd one out, right? Let's move on to the next question. Let's move on to the next question. 14th question. 14th question on your screen. We need to arrange these words in the dictionary order. We need to arrange these words in the dictionary order. what we have to do? Arrange the words in the dictionary order. So common is GEN, remove this GEN. GEN is common, remove. So E and then T. So this will come at the last. This will come at the last. All the options are ending at the 5. Okay. Now we need to find the first one from these. So ER common, ER common, ER common. A, O, A. So this will come at the 4th. A. Out of 1, 3 and 4, one of these word will come at the first and this will come at the 4th. So second last will be 2. So this option is cancelled, this option is cancelled. Now anything can be the right answer, 4, 1 or 1, 4. Let's find out the first one. After A, L is given, after A, T is given, after A, L is given, right? So L, T, L, L will come first, after L, I is given, and after L, nothing is given. So this will come at the first one, this will come at the first. Right answer should start with 4 and hence C is cancelled. Option number A is the right answer. Only option number A is the right one. Only option number A is the right one. Is it clear? Let's move on to the next one. 15th question on your screen. 15th question on your screen from the ranking. From the ranking. This question is from the ranking. Let's see the right answer for this one. All 67 groups are standing in a queue. Red group stands 24th from the start. So this is the starting point. And red group stands at, this is the red group, which is standing at the 24th position. Which is standing at the 24th position. And blue group stands 32 from the end of a queue. And this is the ending. And blue group is this one. Okay, let's make this blue group with the blue color. This is the ending. This is the blue group, which is standing at the 32th position, 32nd position. There were total 67. It means out of 67, we have covered 24 up to here and 32 up to here. How many we have covered total? How many we have covered total? In all, how many we have covered? In all, how many we have covered? We have covered 30 to 50, 54 and to 56. We have covered 56. So let's subtract 56. We will get 11. 11 between them. 11 between them. Right? So the right answer is option number B, 11. Option number B, 11 groups. Next question on your screen. Sixteenth. Okay, the question is from the classification, set of numbers, set of numbers classification. Let's see what can be the right answer. 49, 36, 13, 144. Okay, can we see the square roots? We can see the square of this 7, this is of 6, and 7 plus 6 makes 13. This is 12, this is 25, and adding both of them, can we get 37, right? Now let's see from here, this is 15, this is 9. 15 plus 9, no. 5 and 6, no. 11 plus 2, yes. We can get 13 from the option number C. And 4 and 8, we cannot get 12, so this is also no. Next question. Seventeenth question. 17th question on your screen from the sitting arrangement. 17th question on your screen from the sitting arrangement. 8 persons are sitting in a linear row facing south direction. All the persons are facing in south direction. Always remember, if you are unwilling, if you are not willing to solve the question in the south direction, if all the persons are facing south, then you can assume all the persons in the north direction, your answer will be same. There will be no change. This is my commitment, right? There will be no change in the answer. 8 persons sitting in a linear row facing south. So let's do it by facing all of them in the north. As third left of P, it means 1, 2, P. P will be there, 1, 2, 3 left, like this. 2 person S and R. So we cannot fix 2 person like this. So 1 and 1, 2. 2 person like this. How many we have completed? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 is remaining. P sits at the end of the row. If P is at the end of the row, so 8th person will be here like this. Q fourth right of T. Q fourth right of T means 1, 2, 3 Q. There will be 3 person T and Q. So T cannot come at these two positions. T 1, 2, 3 Q cannot come. T 1, 2, 3 Q can come. T 1, 2, 3 Q cannot come. So T 1, 2, 3 Q will come like this. Okay. U immediate left of Q. So U will be over here. V third right of W. So W and 1, 2, 3 V. All the things have been fixed. How many persons sit between V and P? How many are sitting between V and P? 1, 2, 3. 3% are sitting between V and P, and hence the answer is option number A. Hence the answer is option number A. Okay, let's move on to the next question. 18th question on your screen. 18th question on your screen from the dice. From the dice. Two orientations of the same box are shown below. How will this box looks when unfolded? How will this box look when unfolded? To find this thing, first let's find the opposites. Opposites. So which is the number which is common? Which is the common number? Nothing is common. 3, 2, 6 and 1, 5, 4. Okay. Okay. So if I'm assuming this as the standard dice, then the opposite of 4 should be 3, opposite of 4 should be 3, opposite of 5 should be 2, and opposite of 1 should be 6. If I'm assuming this as the standard dice, then what should happen? Two orientation of the same box are shown below. How will this box look when unfolded? So the opposite of 3 is 4. So 3 and 4 cannot come together. 3 and 4 cannot come together, and hence 1 is wrong. Right? 5 opposite is 2. So 5 and 2 cannot come together, hence this is also wrong. Then 1 and 6 are opposite, then 1 and 6 cannot come together. This is also wrong. 4, 3. 3, 1, 5, 2. No, not like this, not like this, not like this, because all the options will be cancelled like this. So all the options will be cancelled like this. So how can we solve this one? What is wrong with this question? Two orientations of the same dice are shown below. What should be the how can we do this thing? How can we do this one? If I am assuming this standard dice, then standard dice, with the help of standard dice, it cannot be possible. It cannot be possible with the help of standard dice. Then what should we do? What should we do? If I'm taking from all the options, then 3, 2, 6 and 1, 5, 4. Nothing is common. Nothing is common in these two dices as well. Nothing is common in both these dices as well. 3, 4, with the help of options also we cannot do this thing. I'm not getting this thing. How can we do this thing? Is there anything missing in this question or what? Is there anything missing in this question or what? How can we solve this one? How can we solve this one? What is the logic? Okay, if we see according to the dices, if we see according to dice 1, if I am seeing that 3 to 6 are adjacent, 3, 2 and 6 are adjacent, so they can't be opposite, to each other, if they can't be opposite to each other, because they are the adjacent one, right? So 5, 1 and 4 are the adjacent, so they can't be opposite. So how many can we eliminate? See, 5, 1 and 4, and dice number 2, 5, 1 and 4 are coming adjacent, so they are not opposite, as well. So I can say that this will be wrong, this figure will be wrong, because 5 and 1 are coming at the opposite places after one element, right? Similarly 3 to 6, how many we can eliminate from the 3 to 6? See, this 3 and 2 can't be the opposite of each other, and are we getting 3 and 2 at no, 3, 2, 2, 6, 3, 2, 2, 6 at the alternate position. See, this 3 and 6 are coming at the alternate position, and the one who come at the alternate position are the opposites, so third one is also wrong, right? Now 1 and 4th dice, 5, 1, 4, 5 alternate, 1 and 4 should not be there, alternate to 5, 1 and 4 should not be there, alternate 3, 2 and 6 should not be there, and here in this one 5 alternate, 1 and 4. Okay, in this question alternate of 5 is 1, alternate of 5 is 1, hence this cannot be made. Only I guess fourth one can be made, fourth one can be made, and hence C should be the right answer. C should be the right answer. Yes, C should be the right answer. This is a nice question, amazing question it is. This is an amazing question. Let me see how many of you have got this question. Okay, next question. Next question is 19th. Next is 19th question. 19th question from the paper folding and cutting. Now we need to do one thing. What we need to do? What we have to do is paper folding and cutting in this question. Okay. So piece of paper is folded from top to bottom, then these two corner parts have been folded, then this part has been folded from right to left, then some cuts have been made, right? Now if I am opening this part towards the right, so this will be made like this, it will be made like this, and this heart shaped figure will be like this, okay, no issue up to here, no issue is there. Now, and this will be like this, these two will be like this, this one is there, so this one will be over here like this, okay. Now when I am opening it towards this right, towards this left side, up side, so this one will be like here like this, this one will be here like this, and this is here, so this will become a box like this, okay. And one when we are opening this one, so heart shape will be like this, okay. And in this figure, this one will be like this, this figure will come over here like this, and heart shape figure will be like this. How to draw this heart shape figure? Like this, In which option we can see such kind of things? First of all, circle is 1, there should be 2 circle only, circle will be like this only, 2 circles should be there, and hence 1 is the wrong one, 1 is the wrong answer, okay. Now there should be 4 cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cuts should be there. 4 cuts should be there. 2 on this side, 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and 2 on this side, right? So 8 cuts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. Okay, 8. This is the surety. Now both these herds are facing downwards, so they should face upwards. So 3 is wrong because these two herds are facing downwards, right? Because of these herds. Now from 1 and 4 we need to find herds are facing. This herd is facing right. This is facing left. This is facing right, and this herd is facing left. So this is 4th is wrong because of this herd, right? So second is the only right answer. Second is the only right answer. Let's move on to the next question. 20th question on your screen. From the data sufficiency, it is given 6 person A, B, C, D, E and F are sitting around a circular table facing the center. There are 6 person A, B, C, D, E, F sitting around a circular table. They all are facing the center. Who is sitting immediate left of E? Let's see. Statement number 1 is saying only one person sit between C and F. Okay. So it can be like this and it can be like this, CF or FC. A sits second left of C. So if I am fixing C, then A cannot come, and hence second case is not possible. So A sits second left of C will be like this. Okay. 5% we have fixed, 6% we have to fix. D adjacent to F and C. D is adjacent to F and C. So D will be over here like this. B sits second right of D. So B will be over here like this, and 1% is remaining like this. So from statement number 1 we can get all the data, we can extract all the data, and we can say who sit immediate left of E. Immediate left of E is A. So from the statement 1 we can answer. Let's see the statement number 2. E sit third left of F. E is the third left of F. Like this. B sit adjacent to F. B sitting adjacent to F, and 2% sit between B and C. Okay. So it can be possible B sit adjacent to F like this, or B can sit adjacent to F like this, and 1 to E. B can sit adjacent to F in both the possible ways. 2% sit between B and C, 2% sit between B and C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right cannot go. So 1, 2, C, because there are 6% only. And 2% sit between B and C. A does not sit adjacent to C. So A cannot sit adjacent to C, and B and C. There are 2% between B and C. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 already done. C can come over here or over here as well, anywhere. So we cannot find out from the statement number 2 that who sit to the immediate left of E. We cannot find out. Only statement number 1 is sufficient. So answer is option number C. Data in statement 1 alone. Data in statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question. I hope this is clear to you all. Let's move on to the next question. 21st question on your screen. This is from the embedded figure. We need to find out from the given 4 alternatives that which alternative is hidden in this figure. Okay, let's see. If we see this one, can we see any right angle triangle? Can we see this triangle? Right triangle? We cannot see it anywhere. Can we see it? Because rotation is not allowed. First of all, rotation is not allowed. Can we see this anywhere? We cannot see it anywhere. I cannot see it. No, one is not embedded. Second one like this. Do we have any triangle like this? If I am seeing like this, no, this is tilted actually. This is tilted, and we need to connect it in a straight line. Second is also not embedded. Okay. What can we say? What can we say about the third one? What can we say about the third one? Can we have any, do we have any diagonal like this? Do we have any diagonal like this? We are not having any diagonal like this. Can we see fourth one? Do we have x? Do we have x? Yes, we can see the x over here. We can see the x over here like this. Then a triangle should be made like this. A triangle should be made like this. So like this and like this. This is embedded. This fourth figure is the embedded one. Fourth figure is the embedded one. Fourth is the embedded figure that can be found in this image, right? Let's move on to the next question. 22nd question on our screen. 22nd question on our screen. We need to complete the pattern. We need to complete the pattern in order to get the right answer. First of all, this rectangle will be completed like this. Circle will be completed like this, right? And this square will be completed like this. And this darker shaded will come like this, and this will come like this. This needs to be done like this. Now, if I see this, shaded line, dotted line, dotted line, shaded line, dot, shade, then dotted line should come or not? What should come? No. First shaded line should come, because if we see these two lines, the mirror image of these two lines are made. Dotted, dotted, shaded, shaded. Similarly, shaded line should come first, shaded like this, and then dotted line should come. Dotted line should come. We should have an image like this. These two are dotted, and hence this is cancelled. These two are shaded. This is cancelled. Shaded, dotted, okay. Semicircle, okay. This is okay. Third is the right answer. Third is the only right answer. Third is the only right answer. Okay. Third option is the only right answer that can complete the given figure. Let's move on to the next question. 23rd question. 23rd question on our screen. 23rd question on our screen from the coding decoding. Question is, if aunt is coded as 9, R is coded as 16. This is very simple. 3 letters are there. 3's square is 9. 4 letters are there. 4 square is 16. 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. 7 are there. 7 square is 49. We should get 49 answer. Option number B. Next question. 24th question on our screen. From the pattern completion again. This question is from the pattern completion. We need to complete the pattern. We need to complete the pattern in this question again. What should be the right answer for this question, right? Let's see. First of all, we will complete this figure. We will complete this figure like this. We will complete this figure like this. A diagonal should go like this. Then a figure should go like this. Okay. Let's see where we can get such kind of things. Where we can, option 1 is wrong because of this figure, because of this part. Second can be the right answer. Let's decide about this later on. This is also wrong because this arrow, this is pointing inside, this is pointing inside, this is pointing outside. So this is also wrong. Third one is wrong because we are not having any diagonal. That's why wrong. Fourth one is the only right answer. Fourth one is the only remaining option that can match with our answer. Fourth one is the only option remaining that can match our answer, right? Let's move on to the next question. Let's move on to the next question. 25th question. 25th question on your screen from the inequality. 25th question from the inequality. So we are having the question from the inequality. Statement is like this. Statement is like this. We are given with two conclusions. We need to find which conclusion is the right one. x3 is greater than x6. So we need to make a relation between x3 and x6. There is no x3. x3 is over here and x3 is over there. We cannot make relation with this x3 because symbol is facing towards x3 and here symbol is not facing towards x3. Let's make with this x3. x3 is equal x2. So can I fix x3 over here? And we can see x3 is greater, but here we are getting x3 is greater than equal x6, which means x3 can be greater than x6 or x3 can be equal to x6. What he is saying definitely. So first one is the wrong. x3 is equal x6. No, x3 is not equal. x3 can be equal but not definitely. So this is also wrong. But we can get both these things. So the answer is either or. Either this will be true or either this will be true. but none of them is it definitely true. None of them is definitely true. Either first one or second one can be the true. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Twenty-sixth question on your screen. 26th question on your screen. The sentence below has a word in which the letters are jumbled up. The letters are jumbled up. Rearrange the letters of that word. Which letters have to be rearranged? Written in capital letters. We need to rearrange these letters to form the correct word. The pastry was topped with a luscious what? Cream. C-R-E-A-M. Adding a rich and indulgent flavor. So the right answer should be option number D, cream. Option number D, cream. Option number D, cream is the right answer. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. 27th question is from the analogy. 27th question is from the analogy. This is facing towards northeast. This is facing towards northeast, and this is facing towards this is facing towards northwest. This is facing towards northwest, and this is facing towards northeast, right? Or you can say, if you are not considering it northwest and northeast, then you can say it is facing west, then it is facing north, right? Northwest to northeast, it has been turned 90-degree clockwise. 90-degree clockwise, it has turned 90-degree clockwise. Similarly, if I see this is in the south, so this shaded portion should come in the west direction. West, 90-degree clockwise. So 2 is wrong, 3 is wrong, 4 is wrong, only 1 is the right answer, right? So there are 2 or 3 questions remaining. 28, 29, 30 that we will cover in the next class. We will add those in the mock test that I take on the 4 PM session. That's it for today from my side. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.